Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to N8. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to automate your email workflows, manage messages, or trigger actions based on incoming emails. Let's dive right in and get this connection set up. First, you'll need to navigate to N8N.io in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and type in your credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your N8N dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Click on that to begin setting up your new workflow. After clicking Create Workflow, you'll be taken to the N8N Workflow Editor. Here you'll notice two options for creating your workflow. You can either build it manually by selecting the Add First Step option, or you can use the Build with AI feature, which helps streamline the process. For our purposes today, either approach works, but we'll focus on the manual method to give you full control. To connect your Microsoft Outlook account to N8N, you'll need to add a specific node to your workflow. From your editor screen, right-click anywhere on the workflow canvas. A menu will appear, and from there, click on Add Node. This will open a right side panel with a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type in Outlook and click on the result that appears. You'll then be presented with several action options for this node, such as sending emails, reading messages, or creating drafts. For now, you can choose any action since our main goal is simply to establish the connection between Outlook and your N8N account. Once you've selected an action, a parameter window will open up. This is where the actual connection process happens. Look for the field labeled Credential to connect with and click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the options that appear, select Create New Credential. The process from here is pretty straightforward and user-friendly. You won't be required to fill in any complex fields or API keys. All you need to do is click on the button that says Connect My Account. This will redirect you to a Microsoft login page where you can enter your Outlook credentials. After logging in with your Microsoft Outlook account, you'll be prompted to authorize N8N to access your Outlook data. Simply approve the permissions and the connection will be established automatically. You'll then be redirected back to your N8N workflow editor, and your Outlook account will now be connected and ready to use within your workflows. And that's it. You've successfully connected Outlook to N8N, and now you can start automating your email tasks with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.